Good afternoon, everyone. For query clauses and joins, we have the first queries, which is the select. This query allows all rows in the order table by their tick design and then counts the total number of orders for each distinct design. So execute. You will see the total number of orders for each distinct design. For the second queries, we have having. This query first groups orders by kick design and counts them. Then it filters these groups, showing only those kick designs that have more two orders. Then we execute this query. So you will see the Galak chocolate and matcha nebula has the three same orders. For the order by queries, this query selects specific columns from the orders table and sorts the entire result set in ascending order based on the delivery date. So ASC means in ascending order. So the older the first data in the list. So you can see Miss Leia Starbeak is the oldest customer that purchased our cake. For our joins, first we have this inner join. This inner join can be used to find matching records within the same table. This is also called the self join. Execute. So this query will give you the order IDs, customer names, artist name, delivery dates for pairs of distinct orders that meet this criteria. For the outer joint, outer joint, these are the records that will return from the left table, the first table in the from clause, and then the match records from the right table. If there is no match, it returns null for the right side columns. These queries show that comprehensive table by cleverly using alias and derived tables. That is all for the join and clauses. May we call on Melanie Talan for her part.
Okay, for the next command, I will discuss nested and advanced queries. So for the nested queries, this is the command. So for nested command, this query aims to retrieve the order ID and customer name for all orders where the total price is greater than the average of all orders in the table. So the inner query calculates this average first. So for the output, so in the output, we can see various total price values. This, for the output looking out, we can see various values. Let's estimate the average. We have prices. So the it shows the customer name, Alison Gardner, and their order ID. For the next command, we have correlated queries. So for this finds the customer and total price for each customer's highest price order. So the inner query for each customer name finds the maximum total price specifically for the customer. So let's see the output. So here are the output. Since each customer in our order sample data currently has only one order, this query would essentially return all rows from the orders table. So here makikita natin si Lea Starbeak na yung kanyang total price is 700. So the inner query would find the maximum total price for Lea Starbeak, which is 700, and then the outer query would select the row because 700 is equals to 700 if Lea Starbeak had multiple orders. Next command, we have queries with all and with any. So for the queries with all, So this query selects customer's name whose total price is greater than or equal to every total price for orders delivered on May 1, 2025. So the output. Okay. So looking ito yung mga customer name ng look for customer name whose is total price nila is greater than or equal to all of these values. Next, we have queries with any. So this queries with any retrieve the customer's name whose total price is less than any of the total price values associated with John Marsburg. Tingnan natin yung output. Okay, so the inner query select total price order where customer name will return 780. From queries with. So here's the queries with any. Okay. Now queries with exists. So queries with exists it identifies customer name and order ID for orders that share the same cake design with at least one order in the table. So it's useful for finding cake designs that have been ordered multiple times. So ayan yung customer name and yung kanilang order ID. Next naman, queries with not exists. So itong query na to, it returns customer name and order ID for orders that do not have another order with the same customer name and cake design. So ayan, so ito sila din yung mga ito yung mga customer name and order ID. So this query is since each customer in our sample data only has one order, there will never be another order by the same customer with the same cake design and a different order ID. Next, now we have the operations, which are the union. So for the operator union, this combines two sets of data, all customers and their total price for orders delivered on May 1, 2025, and all customers on their total price for orders where the total price is greater than 700. So this is the output. So si Leia Starbake, ayan yung total price ng 700, sila na meet yung mga customer and yung mga kanilang total price. Okay, now we're gonna use intersect. So sa while SQL doesn't have a direct intersect operator on all database, so we can achieve similar functionality using join operation. So we're gonna use intersect using join. And so intersect using join. So the purpose of this is this query finds customer name and total price for orders that satisfy both conditions, which is delivery date is on May 1, 2025, and the total price is greater than 700. Ayan, lumabas ang customer si Alison Gardner with their total price na 760. Next operator is we have the intersect. Next naman we have intersect using exists. We can also achieve intersect functionality using exists. So this query selects customer name and total price from orders where the delivery date is May 1, 2025, and there exists a corresponding order with the same customer name and total price that also has a total price greater than 700. So to execute. So ayun, same din na si Alison Gardner yung nababas. Next is except. So use for except return using left join. So except returns row from the first select statement that are not found in the second select statement. So we can simulate this using a left join. So yung except this query aims to find orders delivered on May 1, 2025 that do not have a total price greater than 700. In other words, it's finding orders with delivery date May 1, 2025 and total price less than or equal to 700. So ayan, si Leia Starbic and Melanie Smith with their total price 700 and 690. Next, We have except using not exist. So similar to intersect, you can also implement except using not exist. So this query selects customer name and total price from orders where the delivery date is May 1, 2025, and there does not exist a corresponding order with the same customer name and total price that also has a total price greater than 700. Execute. And sila din, si Leah Starbeck and Melanie Smith. That's all for nested and advanced queries. So further discuss the commands, we call on Mary Grace.
So now po, I will explain SQL views using examples based on the data. For the SQL views po, first query, create view, and these are the commands po, create view order summary as select order ID, customer name, take design, total price, and from orders. Then this command po creates a view named order summary, which shows po selected columns from the orders table. And then yan, execute. Ayan po. As you can see po, the view order summary is now created and we can use it po to display order details more efficiently po. And then next query po, we check option. These are the commands, create view Nova orders as select from orders where artist name, Nova Suites, and with check option. And this ensure po that only rows with artist name, Nova Suites can be inserted or updated through the view po. Then execute. Ayan. Then as you can see po, the view Nova orders is now created and it only display orders under the Nova Suites. And then the last query po ay update via view. The commands po are update Nova orders, set total price 750 where order ID is 1, and then this command po updates the total price of our record through the Nova orders view po. And then ayan po, Nova view. Ayan po, yung the total price po. As you can see po, the update is successful if order ID is 1, belongs to Nova Suites po. And that's all po for SQL view. And that would be all po for our group presentation. We are Geraldine Bardon, Rachel Mawak, Daniela Pleta, Mary Grace Reyes, Princess Roldan, and Bianca Telan. And thank you po for watching.